Hi friends, welcome to Canines Coach. So friends, today we are going to show you how to teach a dog the feeding discipline. So you can understand feeding discipline itself says that the dog should be very disciplined while having food. There are many advantages which I am going to explain you in coming afterwards. So friends, how the first step for teaching a dog is the feeding discipline is that the dog should be a bit obedient. Then only we can start the feeding discipline, because if the dogs are not obedient, a bit, not completely obedient, a bit, not that extraordinarily obedient, but it is a 10th session, so we can expect the dog to stay for a while, sit for a while, and wait for the command by the trainer. So then we can start the feeding discipline. So you can see friends, today's menu of the food. Hey, देखो ठीक है. Today food menu is that multigrain khichdi, chicken and veggies, that is pumpkin chia seed powder, pumpkin seed powder, and a bit of turmeric added with a bit of coconut oil. So you can see this food is for Susie because of her size and breed. So this food is for Shadow, this food is for Tank, and this food is for Danny. So you can see food is available here. So now the dogs are in a staying position. So now the trainer, what will do, they will leave the dog in stay position for a while, and they will take the bowl and they will ask the dog to sit for a while. Then when the dog is responding for the with the command, then the trainer will offer the food. So let us see how it goes. So बेटा चलो राकेश, डॉग को स्टे करके अपना खाना लेके उसको फीडिंग डिसिप्लिन कैसे सिखाते हैं इनिशियली वो सीखो. So you can see Tank is staying there. So seeing the food, the Tank is getting excited. Stay. So for a pass maybe. So you can see trainer is giving the command stay, and he's holding the football in hand. So when the dog becomes stable, then only he offers the food. This is where the dog training starts. Stay. The dog is raising, he is not allowing, he is not putting the ball on ground. The message should be clear. If you stay, then only I will give you the food. Look at the tail of the dog, he is excited. चलो लगाओ बेटा, दमन पे लगाओ. Stay. So consistency is the name of the game, friends. The dog should stay there. It should not race. लगाओ. Sit. Very good. Stay. चलो अभी दे दो. Very good. So the dog is responding to the stay command, then on the food is offered. So you can see how happily he is having. Now the trainer will touch his head, his body. So this activity will help to remove the food aggression part in the dog's behavior pattern. Food aggression is the natural behavior for any dog, but during the training we practice in such a way that the dog should not be reacting when the food is offered, and he is allowing the trainer to touch his head and body. Right. So another, you can see Shadow को दिखाओ. Shadow is staying there and he's waiting. Yes, he understood. Stay. So you can see Shadow is focusing. Very good. Stay. So it's a first session of feeding discipline, friends. So the dogs doesn't know what to do, but they are showing the focus, and trainer is holding the food in their hand. Chal, did. Very good. So in coming days, with few more practices, so we can expect the dog to stay when the food is placed there, and on command the dog should take it. Now Susie को बिठाओ, stay करो. So you can see, friends. Stay. Susie is also staying there. Below. So Susie is just staying there, and the command is being given. Stay. Ah. Very good. चलो दे दो. Very good. चलो Danny. ले जाओ पास में लेके. So controlling a large breed during the feeding is a task. So we are trying to make their owner's life comfortable. So see, Danny is made to sit there and asked to stay there. It is the first session, friends. So the dog, it will be very difficult for the trainer to stay. So in front of the food, the dog is made to stay there. We will wait for 5 seconds. If the dog is stable, we will allow the dog to eat. In the next session, we will hold the food ball in hands. Chalo beta, stay bolo or take it. Take it. So every dog is a different dog, friends. Few dogs have got great patience, but few dogs they have less patience. So we will start, depends upon the dog to dog and condition to condition. So now Danny is अरे उसको आराम से रखो. अच्छा बहुत अच्छा. So this is the way to teach the dog the feeding discipline. So friends, why the feeding discipline is important? Feeding discipline helps the dog to understand the value of the food, and we give only 3 to 4 minutes to complete his food. So it will become a habit for a dog to complete his food immediately and go to the defecation. So once if the dog is feeding discipline trained, then it will be very easy for you to maintain your dog on a everyday basis, so that every day you can practice obedience with the help of the football in your hand. The dog will sit and stay there, and the dog will develop more patience, and he will understand the value of the food. And we provide only 3 to 4 minutes to complete his food. So you can see this bigger ball is finished within 1 or 2 minutes. So this is what we expect a dog to do, and we are very happy once the dog having complete meal and without any breaks and all. So friends, don't allow your dog to skip the meal and whenever he wants to eat in coming time. So that will disturb his bowel pattern at the same time. It is not a good practice. So only give 3 to 4 minutes to complete its meal. Right? You can see Danny is fastly eating and Susie is completed her feeding. Right? Thank you, friends. That's it for today. So we will show you the progress of this feeding discipline in coming days. So in parts. Thank you so much.